Dear children, welcome to 6th standard English class. Now I am going to teach Unit 2 Prose When the Trees Walked. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. This lesson deals with planting trees and a great awareness among the children to plant more trees wherever possible and to protect them. In this lesson, the author tells his experience. Before going to the lesson, we want to see some glossary. A glossary, fertile, able to produce a lot of planting or crops. Fertile, able to produce a lot of plants or crops. Abundant, left without care. Abundant, left without care. Vigorous, healthy and strong. Vigorous, healthy and strong. Protested, opposed or disagreed. Protested, opposed or disagreed. Nightmare, a frightening dream. Nightmare, a frightening dream. Interfering, stopping. Interfering, stopping. Rambling, wandering. Rambling, wandering. Sprout, when seeds begin to grow into small plants. Sprout, when seeds begin to grow into small plants. Spectacular, high-catching. Spectacular, high-catching. Backhand, to signal someone with your hand to ask them person to come closer or follow. To signal someone with your hand to ask the person to come closer or follow. Now, we want to see the author note. Already I said the lesson when the trees walk. The lesson when the trees walk written by Ruskin Bond. The lesson was written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond born on May 19, 1934. Ruskin Bond is an award-winning Indian author. More than 500 books, stories, novels and essays. He writes poetries and books for children as well as an adult. He lives with his adopted family in Landour, Missouri in India. He was awarded Sahitya Academic Award in 1992, Padma Shri Award in 1999, Padma Bhushan Award in 2014. So, he was awarded Sahitya Academic Award in 1992, Padma Shri Award in 1999 and Padma Bhushan Award in 2014. Already said this lesson is tells about the author's experience. Next, we want to see the gist of the lesson. The author's grandfather served in the Indian Forest Service. As a boy, the author was happy to be with him. He learned to share grandfather's love to plants and trees. Both of them used to go into the jungle with the planting and saplings. The author helped grandfather to planting them. Once both planted some sapling in the rocky island. After a few years, the author came there. They saw the plants. He was very happy because that are grown and multiple. The rocky island had become a green paradise. Now we want to see the summary of the lesson. Already I thought this lesson is author's experience. Now, one morning, the author and his grandfather were sitting on the veranda steps. That time, the tendril creeping towards his grandfather's feet. He imagined that moved towards his grandfather's feet as it loved him. Though there is a scientific explanation for the plant's behavior. The plants grow towards the sunlight and warmth. Always the plants grow towards the sunlight and warmth. Whenever grandfather joined to the author, the garden became a happy place to him. The grandfather liked plants and trees very much. After his retirement, he built a bungalow in the outer area of Dehradun. He planted many trees like guava, mango, lime, and also eucalyptus, zarhanda, and a Persian lilies. An old people tree broke through the walls and abandoned outhouse. The people trees was great show off. When there is no breeze, the people leaves, that broad-chested, slim-waisted leaves will spin like tops and attract out and attention and invite us to the shadow. Grandmother wanted to cut the tree, but grandfather thought that he could build another outhouse. From that, we can understand grandfather's love towards the trees. Grandmother was not against the trees, but she fond of growing flowers. Grandfather helped grandmother, not because he liked flower garden, but he wanted to watch the butterflies attracted towards the flowering garden. During the rains, the author and his grandfather walked into the jungle with the saplings and cuttings because they wanted to plant them. That time, the author asked his grandfather, "Why do you plant the plants in the jungle? Who is going to see them?" That time, grandfather told, "This is not for view." He planted many trees for the birds and animals for their more food and shelter. Not only for that, the trees attract rains. It keeps the desert away. For timber, for fruits, flowers, seeds and leaves. prevent the river bank from being washed away. For this purpose, we want to plant the trees. Grandfather said to the author, the trees are trying to move always, like banyan tree. The banyan tree move with their traveling with the aerial routes. But men are cutting down the trees without replacing them. And soon the world will be a great desert. The thought of the world without trees became a nightmare of author. And he helped his grandfather with great enthusiasm. They saw a small rocky island in the dry riverbed. They noticed a small mango tree was growing there. So they started to planting a number of tamarind, laburnum and coral saplings and cuttings. During the Second World War, the author was sent to the boarding school. After 2 or 3 years, the author went to England. After several years, the author returned back to the Dehradun. He liked to visit the Rocky Highland. So he went there. He was surprised to see the spectacular view because the trees had grown and multiple. The grandfather streamed and the trees walked. When the trees walked had come true. So long ago, they planted some saplings and cuttings in the rocky island. Now that are had multiple and grown. Now the paradise, the island looks like a green paradise. In India, with more than 70,000 species of flowering plants. But in Tamil Nadu, with the 5,000 flowering plants, nearly 1/3 of the floral in India. It has highest diversity in India. So children, the plants gives us rain, that gives us food to us, that gives food and shelter for the animals. So you too plant some trees in your garden that help to give shadow and also give some food for animals and birds. See some synonyms. Beside, near, probably, certainly, beneath, under, attract, captivate, knocking, pushing, enthusiasm, interest, shelter, protection, short, kind, saplings, plants, attention, notice. Now we want to see some antonyms, that is opposite words. Leaping, running, nearby, far off, multipled, reduced, broad, narrow, shad, sunshine, prevent, hello, leafless, leafy, paradise, hell, slim, stout, breeze, strong. Okay children, now we want to discuss some question and answers and paragraph. When did the garden become a happy place for author? When did the garden became a happy place for Arthur. When the author was all alone in the garden, he felt lonely. But when his grandfather joined him, the garden became a happy place for him. When he joined with his grandfather, the garden became a happy place for Arthur. What did grandfather do in the jungle? What did grandfather do in the jungle? During the rains, grandfather went into the jungle. He planted cuttings and saplings in the forest. He planted more trees in the jungle. What will happen if we go on cutting trees? What will happen if we go on cutting trees? If we go on cutting trees, the world will be changed into a great desert. If we are cutting the trees, the world become a desert. What was the grandmother interested in? What was grandmother interested in? Grandmother was interested in growing flowers. Grandmother was interested in growing flowers. How did grandfather's dream come true? How did grandfather's dream come true? The trees planted by grandfather long ago had multiplied. They were walking again. Thus, grandfather's dream come true. The trees planted by grandfather long ago had multiplied. They were walking again. Thus, grandfather's dream come true. Shall we see paragraph? Paragraph. What are the grandfather's view about planting trees? What are grandfather's view about planting trees? Planting trees is not just for improving the view. Trees give good food and shelter to birds and animals. They attract the rain and keep the desert away. They prevent the bank of rivers being washed away. They prevent the bank of the rivers being washed away. Trees give us fruits, flowers, leaf and seed. They also give us timber. Timber means wood. So, grandfather felt that we should plant more trees. Thank you children. You to practice these synonyms, antonyms, question answers paragraphs in your home. Thank you children.